Alright guys, check it out, it's pretty simple. So you go to your Coinbase, okay, you click Ethereum, trade Ethereum, so you're gonna buy some. When you buy whatever amount you want, preview buy, and confirm it. So once you buy it, right, you're gonna go to your Coinbase wallet, okay. Once you're in your wallet, you type, no you don't type, you click on this QR scanner, show your QR code, tap Ethereum, and then you're gonna copy this address because that's where you want to send it to from Coinbase. So once you copy it, you go back to your Coinbase, Ethereum, you go to your wallet, okay? So once you're in your wallet, it's gonna show you how much Ethereum you bought. At the top right, it's gonna be like a little arrow kind of thing. You tap on that, and it's gonna say send Ethereum, and that's where you paste your address from your Coinbase wallet. You hit send, and then it'll go to your Coinbase wallet. So once it's in your Coinbase wallet, you hit Ethereum, okay, you go to more, convert Ethereum. At the top here where it says crypto, you tap on that, then you choose coin, you type in the coin that you want. For my case it's Shiba. You play around with the Ethereum numbers. You gotta play around because Ethereum is a different numbers. It's not like cents or pennies. So you're gonna put 0.02 of Ethereum or whatever. You're gonna keep on doing it until it no longer says insufficient balance, because you gotta remember there's fees and stuff in it. So once it says it's enough balance, then you can go ahead and process the purchase so you can get your Shiba.